Sema. I am Moses Davis, aka Beenie Man, King of the Dancehall from Jamaica. I've been doing music all my life. Now, I think this is my third time in Uganda. First time I come here, I never performed. Second time I come here was 13 years ago now. This is the third time, so 3 is a charm. Yeah? So, this show, I'm here to give the best of my ability, give the best account to my performance. And I'm here with my band, Rough Cut. And it's gonna be wicked. Trust me. Yeah, something happened to me now. Yeah, but you know, we just pray to God so nothing happens to me. So everything go alright. The show's gonna be nice. Everything is gonna be good. Because I'm here. And it's not like, you know, you're not gonna play. We just want the fans them to turn out and come with the vibes, you know? Because that's all I have. I have nothing but vibes. I have nothing but energy. That's all I have. That's all I bring to the stage and proper music. Yeah, Uganda. Rough Cut. Yeah, right. Rough Cut.
Full band.
Yeah, full band.
Yeah, full band.
It's not piece of a band. Because last time I came here, I didn't have a band.
Yes.
So I come here this time because it was the show. It was the type of the show. It was that dancehall thing. So it wasn't, you know, but it was a piece of a band. But this time, I'm here with my full band. Don't worry. You don't even know, but people are people do. My heart it froze, the cold and the squeeze, my load and I leave remote. Not even in the spine, the TV sure. I'm freestyling. Not even in the spine, the TV sure. But don't tell me it, so keep the flow. So all who out there and I know for my name and the whole I want to leave for sure. But anyway, why mankind are pretty messed up. And I blame it from the set from the weed. From far, you have to give them tough love, not care if our friends or family. Me don't see them a fussy from around, so I smile and I burn like grab a leaf. They never stop until them smoke you. Not your body wrap up in a right cheek. Best thing I'm me alone, friend thing, me not exchange that. Best thing I'm in alone, friend thing, me not interesting, me dep on a illa walla vibe. Couple me like investing, then I'm me alone. China this and I'm a chicken known. Them identity, them can't study. Wolf in a sheep clothes, them see and still now worry. Me have to defend my tree, mama don't worry, friend I kill friend every day you could have all bloody. Why mankind have to pretty messed up, and I blame it from the scent from the weed. From far you have to give them tough love, not here if a friend or a family. Me don't see them a fussy from round, so I smile and I burn you like grab a leaf. Yeah.
What happened to the video?
Well, the song wasn't my song. The song was their song. So if they didn't make a video, they wouldn't do nothing. I was just featured on the song. Yeah, that song was a great song, but it's not my.
So since it wasn't yours, you didn't put any effort, like.
It's not didn't put any effort. You can't put effort promoting the next promoter song. That don't make no sense when you have your own song to promote this. That don't make no sense. Think about it.
Next question. Yes.
So, I believe the representative from police can give us a quick word and assurance. Then the king of the dancehall can give us a short brief and readiness, show his readiness for the show. And then we can open the floor for questions.
Fenga Uganda Police. Tuli basanyufu nnyo okuba nti mutwenyigira mu kukuuma bannayuganda naddala mu kivuga kino kigenda okubeerayo olunaku olwokutaano z'omwezi 11. tuli beetegefu bulungi okulaba nti nno abagenyi abazze okuba nti nno bayimba nga bava ebweru, muli abayimbi abava ebweru bajja bba bakuumibwa bulungi, n'ebintu byabwe bye bazze nabo kuba tutegedde omu ku bazze ne bbandi y'abantu nga 10 n'ebintu ebikozesebwa mu bbandi. Tuli beetegefu okubakuuma n'ebintu byabwe bye bazze nabo mu makubo bwe banaayita ne mu bifo mwe bagenda ebbanga basula. Era njagala kubategeeza ne ku lunaku lwennyini olw'omukolo tujja bba tudeployinga abasirikale baffe okuva mu counter terrorism okuba nti ne bamaning up stage, access control, buli muntu waalina okuba nti ayita nga kwotadde n'okuba nti nno tudeployinga police ey'enjawulo okuba nti nokutangira ebikolwa eby'obutujju. Mukimanyi bulungi tulina ebitusoomooza ng'eggwanga era abatujju basanyuka nnyo okuba nti nno ebintu nga bino bibeerawo okuba nti beetawo embeera etali ya bulijjo. Kussa eri ekirwadde ky'Ebola nga tukwatagana n'abategesi kubyokulaba nti no bateekawo embeera oba emitendera okulaba nti no buli omu akuumibwa eri ekirwadde ekyo agenda okwenyigira mu bikujjuko bino. So n'olwekyo twagala okweyama obukuumi bwaffe eri buli Munnayuganda ku kkubo gwagenda oyita ne mu kivvulu munda okuba nti notubawa obukuumi obwannamaddala. Tetujja kwetaaga muntu ajja n'amacupa, tetujja kwetaaga muntu ajja na kiso, tetujja kwetaaga muntu ayingira na mmundu. So n'olwekyo tubakubiriza ebintu byonna bye bayita ebissi mu ggwanga lyaffe Uganda oba ekintu kyonna ekiyinza obbeera ekyobulabe eri omuntu yenna kiwereddwa. N'abo abakozi b'effujjo tudeployinza abasirikale baffe abatali mu ngoye
Volume? Yeah.
Okay. Islam Chigongo, on behalf of Tomboy Entertainment and our events management partners, Beenie marketing and so we are part of the organizers of the House of Music. Why House of Music? We're inspired with the richness of music from different artists, so we want to bring out different genres on one stage. So we have dancehall, we have Afrobeats, we have Amapiano, and then we have the local content. So from dancehall we have the King of the Dancehall. From Afrobeats we have Oxlade. And then Amapiano we have Vocalistic from South Africa. We have Mel and Sleazy from South Africa. And then from Uganda we have the Songs Avenue Gardens. We have Beenie, we have Azawi, we have also Beenie. Then from the still entertainment we have the local DJs. Supporting our local DJs, we have the female DJs and the male DJs. We have DJ Auza, we have DJ Sese, we have DJ Dash. Then the female DJs, we're supporting also the new female DJs. We have Life of the Party, we have Linda Dane, and